Hi, and welcome to this short edition of Father, Son, and Skillet. I'm the father, Alden. Owen's not here. The skillet's in the cupboard. But the pepper blend is what's important today. We're going to show you how to do that real quick. All right, let's get started making our amazing pepper blend. And we really do use this as the house pepper in all of our pepper grinders. First, 6 parts of black peppercorns, 2 parts of white peppercorns, and then we'll add 2 parts of green peppercorns and 2 parts of pink peppercorns. Those are a little harder to find, but they're worth it. And then 1 part of Szechuan peppercorns. Mix it together with your hands or a spoon, whatever feels good. This is an amazing smelling step. You'll just want to stand there and stir it all day, I guarantee. So here we go from there. We'll put it into jars with airtight lids. This one made about 8 cups, so we have those. You can store that as needed in your spice cabinet and then just use it. Put that stuff on everything. Yeah, it's that good.